welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am CSJAS. I hope you all are preparing for your May, June attempt in whatsoever attempt you are sitting and in whatsoever profession you are with, it's CA, CS or CMA. I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes on unacademy daily at 7 p.m. Now, how they are free, you can unlock the classes by using my code CSJAS and they will get unlocked and you can view my session totally for free. So I am here to announce two special live classes today only. Yes, so today I am hosting two special live classes especially for CS executive students. In general, I teach JIGL and company law to CS executive students. So आज की special classes भी उसी से related हैं. So I am hosting one class at 5:30 p.m. and another class at 7 p.m. So in the first class, that is the class at 5:30 p.m., I will be telling you types of questions that are asked in JIGL, and the class at 7 p.m. I will tell you types of questions that are asked in company law. This is one question which I get mostly asked during my sessions, that what kind of questions are being asked. अब इससे क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है that at least you understand that how to prepare, what to prepare so that you can prepare in a way the questions are being asked. It's not enough to read everything. It's not enough to, learn everything. It's important how you are preparing for your exams from the exam point of view. So that all things we will discuss today, and other than that I will take up your doubts, your queries. If you have any regarding these subjects or any other subject of CS executive as well, I'll be there to answer all the queries. So make sure that you join the session, the free session. दोनों ही classes के class links you'll find in the description box below. Make sure you click on it and click notify me. And if you're looking for good batches for CSET or CS executive, the links to the Masterstroke batch, which is for CSET, and the JIGL batch, which is for CS executive, will be available in the description box below. And if you decide to take the subscription, make sure you use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount. So looking forward to all of you joining my sessions at 5:30 p.m. as well as 7 p.m. Give me your 20 to 25 minutes. I will help you clear June 2022 exams in your first attempt only. So looking forward to see you all. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.